Lahorijan forests face threat of complete destruction within few years. Good morning, viewers, and welcome to Karbin Long Live Morning News. You're with your host Julie Baby, bringing you the latest news for this morning. Now let's look into the news details. The Karbi Students Association and Forest Department staff on Saturday visited the proposed reserve forest in Langbali, where 27 families had cleared forests and constructed houses and other structures. The KSA Bokhajan Regional Committee Secretary Nobin Rongpi has told the Forest Department that massive clearance of forests and other activities in the area have been going on since the past 3 years at Langbali area. The students' body has made it clear that they do not support establishment of village in the area, which is only destroying the forest and reducing the forest cover of the area at a massive pace. Further, the students' body claimed that the Hajongpur forest area is also under massive encroachment, where people are clearing forests and trees, due to which the Lahorijan East Division forest area is losing its forest cover at a very massive rate, posing great threat to the environment, wilds and human population of the area. The students' bodies say that Borjan constituency, which shares border with Nagaland, needed exceptional attention at the earliest and urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to come up with long-lasting measures to avoid unwanted law and order situation and encroachment from neighboring states. The KSA also demanded that all illegal land passes issued under Block 2 Borlengri area be cancelled at the earliest, and further claimed that more than 100 suspected Muslim refugees from Burma are slowly turning the AK market area into their permanent settlement area, which is a matter of great concerns for the entire people of the district and state. The students' body charged that non-locals and illegal citizens are destroying forests and are settling in this cleared land on a daily basis without any fear, and more shockingly, the concerned department are not able to do anything to stop the destruction of the forest and the land.
Noneli Karjab Lake Balijan Sabidangkang Forest East Division Ladak Rong Keseng mi Ladak do Lasi Ladak Aron Repen si Ladak Rong nang Seng lo lapen ke Ladak Rong Inut Bahini dumben nangethan ke Ladak Ningkan ke thom suselo labang so Rong Kaseng tang lapen ke Lake PCRF angkang pusi Ladak Chini Ponlong lo lapen ke dak manghumi me alam mangi lahin lo je Ladak PCRF angkang pusi tame labang so Rong dek kali pinangan halapu dam chat lu pultang te haladak United Adivasi Arong do haladak 1994 aningkan lompen si alang litum Rong nang seng lu lapin ke pini ladak naka humri lagai nilitum Dakar Benglong Life setame wang lo lapin ke ladak student organization dilai KSA head branch setame do lapin ke ladak Forest Department atum sitame ladak do lasi ladak lage labangso angkang lage Borjan constituency angkang si puri lo lapen ke ladak ke aduya hoy pen chedai klokason lo kilometer 4 an damlu puldang te Nagaland mate Dimapur ledampo
la DC bang ke department roman sa sab su ning ki duk do lo athela dak ning kan it thom so selo ladak alang li tum ben kirai komalong le long si ningkan it thomang bong dak hem nang ki pakim long di ladak me ring dak nang ki som long stame alang li tum stame chini dun de lo ne mare ke theng long de ne tai pini ni li tum birta long sing tum dak na homri lo la pen forest department tum sa ni tum information pi pen pini alang li tum stame nang dun lo la pe alang li tum stame alang li tum department ahin pen kwan malabang so along le ka chi protect dun ji ki una sai ana bangi mate labang so long le cherai dun jia ana farmana bangi forest department dum pini pen labang so alang le tum hoi pen un ana bangi ka chi khangi fan arona teng ben chi mupon bo si chuning ri lo pen ning thelo.
According to locals, the village was established in 2017, while electricity connection was already established before the establishment of the village.
गाँव नाम तो क्या था
Langbali.
हाँ
Langbali.
Lang Bali हाँ আচ্ছা কিমান চন হৈ গ'ল ইয়াত এষ্টাব্লিছ কৰাটো এইটোতো নতুন হয় 2017তে ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছিল 2017তে না আপুনি নাজানা থাকিছিলে নেকি ইয়াতে এইটো ইলিগেল বোলে ইয়াতেতো ফৰেষ্ট ৰিজাৰ্ভ বোলে এইটোতো নাজানে নেকি ফৰেষ্টবিলাক একো কোৱা নাই নেকি ফৰেষ্টবিলাকতো এষ্টাব্লিছ কৰাৰ পিছতে নাই কোৱা নাই এইটো আগৰ অহা নাই আগৰ পৰা এইটো মতলব বস্তি বানাম কৰি পেলাই এইটো জেগাটো কিবা কৰি পেলাই আছিলে বোলে অঁ ফৰেষ্ট একো কোৱা নাই একবাৰো অহা নাই নেকি ফৰেষ্টটো আহিছিলে চাগে একো কোৱা নাই তেতিয়াতো একো তেনেকৈ কোৱা নাই একো দিয়া নাই এতিয়া এনেকৈ কৈছিলে খালি যে এইটোতো ফৰেষ্ট এৰিয়া হয় নেকি এনেকৈ অলপ কথা পাতি আছিলে কিন্তু আমি ইমান ভালকৈ বুজি পোৱা নাই
Vijay Rongpin's report from the live for Caribbean Long. The lethargic developmental work carried out inside 25 Nilip MSC constituency came to light after local people of the area has urged upon the contractor and concerned authority for early completion of the bridge at Keri Langso. According to locals, the failure to complete the Keri Langso bridge has multiplied the woes of the people of this area. Local told media persons that communication problems of the area was a prize to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, CEM Tuliram Ronghang, an order for repairing and replacement work before the recently concluded MLA election was issued, but could not go ahead as planned. However, out of the 3 bridges, 2 have already been completed after the MLA election was concluded, but the remaining 1 bridge at Keri Langso has been left out. Following this, local people of the area have expressed their deep dismay over the step motherly treatment meted out to them in matter of development work executed inside the Nilip MSC constituency. Sarthe Togbi village headman along with the villagers have sought to know as to who or what is causing the delay in completion of the bridge, which is lifeline for huge number of population as this road serve as the link with Panjan, Pangtikro, Dehori, Daithor and other important areas.
Basila so adolong bangke prabjin pen patang somte pusini bitum rong hoi pen kem diman la pen lapso adolong yong si tang lo polote ni tum kado ka ve ke sung pen stami asap o ake joy ke dopo athe pusi hospital kado ka ve nai thoeng lo lang kado ka ve tani tungela si chelat la pen ni tumarong gat pugali ha panjan deori daithor la pen pu ponte krorong la kado ka ve tala so to war si chelat pu chelal la sinone kibi giti ke bang kasik sak do lang ke so ka tum punon ayat punon stami kapre ka to war ke nili tum rong pen ke avelo lan vel
जो लासो दिलोंग रिपेयरिंग नोनांता टांगते दे इलेक्शन अपरांग सी टांगे जी पुलो समी टांगते दे लासी मादुले लासो काम के लोंग मा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के अनाबांग सितमे मादु सितमे माने लाके रong ko ano ne si manela block ke dama towar penak la si la towar ka pre ka velo la so towar ma la si ajo phir lo ke so kun ne ka do ka vistame la si chela na aposi la so dilong yong si hingno dak plote rada tumbang akisung thepi aposi la so akisung aphan nang pajok tha pusi la contract ya na tum ma la so cycle long tum aphan chuning rilo la si ni tumarong ke kavide darong pina ka posi nali tum nang honangji la pen nangjin sunangi pen la so dilong yong si ni tum ke tang tedet ma hing no dak pulote ni tum ke kiso kun e ajo phirlo ke damji phansami ni tum kadure dopi
Samson Ingti from Koilamati and Sanjay Crow from Chokiola for Karbi Anglong Live. Believers Eastern Church Satgaung Mission Diocese led by Father Tanghao Dimngel and Father Andrew Langni on Saturday distributed essential food items to the needy families of the locality. This initiative was carried out to help families facing scarcity of food items in this pandemic. Believers Eastern Church Satgaung Mission Diocese operates under number 10 Bitungreng Thama constituency. On witnessing the depressing condition of several families, the 2 church leaders provided them with some amount of essential food items to ensure that they do not starve. They were also joined by Rongtheang Believers Church, a pastor, Rajan Ingling. More than 20 families received the food items. While talking to our correspondent, Father Thang Hao Dimgel and Father Andrew Langni told that they will continue to distribute ration at several other places in the coming days. Further, he informed that the diocese is also ready to extend helping hands to the needy people and that whenever in need, people may approach them. They also urged the people to comply with all the COVID protocols and to stay at home.
Time that we must come together as a nation and fight the common enemy. Satgam Mission Diocese is divided into 4 ministry districts. Light we do relief here by providing rice, potato, dal, and other essential commodities. Our workers and believers are providing the same relief in their respective places.
Hamrem District, West Karbi Anglong. Lapuson si ladak ring tema number 10. Satak bithung area long. Lapuson si nilitum labangso government pen. Sigi patik pon. Lapuson si chingrum long le la pen lapuson si kebon patik pon pen ajok si. Pinang atum akiduk kisung ho pen ajok litum ar dilong pen. Pinuma pinitum labangso dali la pen pias sang. Pen atum kinangji ala hormus kami. Dito male adon kipidan pansame dito chisiglo la sia gitu ladak nan kinitung ipibang ke don koi an dito people.
Pastor Rajan Ingling shared words from the Holy Bible and thanked both the church priests for their service to the people. Vicky Bay from Dongkamakam, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a blessed day.